Can cleaning your home actually heal your mind? I don't know, but let's find out. Recently, in the past few days, I have been feeling a little bit overwhelmed. I was feeling like, things are not working out as I want them to. Just exhausted. It felt like I have a lot on my plate and I don't know how to work it out. So this is how my house ended up looking like. My living room was a mess. My kitchen was worse. I don't have to show you my bedroom. It's so terrible. My guest room was crazy and everything in my house was just not working. So I came across this post that your physical space represents your mind. So if you have clutter in your house, or if you have clutter anywhere in your space, in your phone, then that's exactly how your mind is feeling like. So I decided that today I'll be clearing my living room and my kitchen for a start. Nothing thorough, nothing so deep, just getting rid of the tiny things on the couch, on the counter, and ensuring everything feels a little bit open. So then I'll be answering your question, or answering the first question of if cleaning your space and clearing your space really helps with your mental health. Guys, let's find out. This is going to be more of cleaning inspiration, just a silent more of a silent and background music. So if you like this kind of content, remember to hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and we are still on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So please share. Let us continue growing. We're still on our weight loss journey. It's coming out so well. I feel so light. I take some few walks sometimes in the evening, not all the time, but that is all. Hope you enjoyed this video, by the way, and thank you so much for your support in the other previous videos. I am in love with the growth. I am in love with the life because are showing we are still growing. So yeah, thank you so much. Let's do this. I will have to have some music play. Well, at first I wanted to have a timer to work in less than 30 minutes or 1 hour at most, but then parenting called, and the good thing is the baby wasn't really in a bad mood, let me just call it that, for lack of a better word, and so I just had to have him around as I do the rest. So this is baking soda. I'm going to add a few drops of the ocean essential oil. This helps with scenting your house. It takes away the bad odor and then gets your house having this beautiful smell. So it's calming. It's really nice. It's calming. You can have for me, I am adding, I didn't count the drops. I just wanted it to be a bit like clumpy. And then I'll pour it on the couch and then also on the carpet. By the way, my baby already woke up, so we are having to do this cleaning together because the house is too messy to just have it. Good thing has sumbui. So yeah, so after you add your essential oil, you mix it in, have this kind of texture. Wow, heavenly. So I'm just going to have it and on the carpet. Of the day, this is sufficient glass window, and this is Magne all purpose. I use this on my TV stand. I use this on every glass surface. It's actually almost running out of it, so it's talking very soon. It had been a minute since I vacuumed and worked on my seats thoroughly, so this vacuuming and deep cleaning kinda was so needed. My baby was in a very good mood, so the vacuuming sound didn't really scare him as much, but normally that is a no-go zone. So today was a good day and I deep cleaned everything. Not thorough, but kind of deep. I vacuumed everything up, ensure that the baking soda is totally off your seats, because you don't want to have those two particles, tiny particles of baking soda sticking on your clothes or your body when you are on the couch. Also, ensure you also get rid of the baking soda totally on your carpet. You can also use this on your mattress and any kind of surface that is maybe a spongy, Kinaviti mattress, the bed. It works so well, leaves your bed and sits so fresh and really amazing.
You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home.
I'm super exhausted, but I'm done with vacuuming. Baby is still not sleeping, so I'm done with vacuuming. Power ilipotea kidogo, so the music had to go off. God, I'm tired. Anyway, I will be mopping the floor next. I will use a disinfectant to mop the floor. It's smelling so good. It's really smelling very good. I love that scent. God. Anyway, I'll have to take a short break, and then I'll be back to mop the floor and then work in the kitchen. I finished decluttering. I didn't finish taking care of the things in the console and also the things on the TV stand, but I'm done with the table. I'm done with here with the table. I have my laptop and a notebook because I'm coming to edit as I feed and take care of the baby, and as I take a short break. So thank you so much. If you're still watching till this point, thank you, Manze, so much. I appreciate you all. I love that you desire to stay and watch until now. I am really grateful. Yes, decluttering your space and cleaning your space actually plays a number in ensuring that your mental health is on check. Just walking on my living room, I already feel so light and so excited for the next chapter. So this is your sign. Go ahead and clean that space, declutter it. I've created a playlist that has a compilation of every video that I have done on cleaning and home management, home organizing, everything to do with parenting and getting your home in order. Please check it out. There are so many tips, and let me know how you manage everything in your house. Until next time, thank you for watching.